Hello, and welcome to New Dawn, Montana Farm Sanctuary. My name is Jack the Bitterroot Beagle, and I'm a famous movie star from right here in western Montana. When I'm not on location filming, I like to come visit all my farm animal friends. New Dawn, Montana Farm Sanctuary is a wonderful place. They are dedicated to providing a safe, lifelong home to farm animals that have been abused, neglected, and/or displaced. What? Did someone say lunchtime? Pigs are so cool. They share their food and love to get dirty. Right, Betsy? No, I'm not a cow. I'm Jack the Bitterroot Beagle. Come on, Henry and Berg. Let's play. Here, I'll teach you some beagle moves. Fresh milk. Over here. Boy, this sure is tasty. Hey, save some for me. Guess I'll go visit the sheep. It's over there, Confetti. Your treat fell down here. Let me help you. No, Charlie and Vicky, I'm not gonna turn around. You'll have to go headbutt the cows instead. As you can see, all the residents of New Dawn, Montana Farm Sanctuary live out their natural lives in peace and with love and respect. Please join with me in supporting this unique animal haven. Contact them today and see how you can make a difference. You'll be glad you did.